Regardless of interest rates, economic fluctuations, recessions, or time, property values continue to appreciate. This makes real estate one of the best investments, and you can live in it. It's Friday, June 9th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. As you can see from this graph, home values since the mid-1970s have consistently trended upwards, making buying a home sooner rather than later a prudent decision. With Maryland's deficit of 120,000 homes rising 50% in the past 2 years, prices are expected to continue to climb. Homes available on the Maryland shore dropped again this week to 1,084 for sale. 81 homes came to the market over the past week. 78 homes are coming soon. 78 went under contract and 77 went to pending. 82 properties sold in 9 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Ocean City for $1,162,500. Available rentals fell to 71 for lease at $1,995 per month. These are going under application in just 20 days. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 9th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. See you next week.